Okay, Sam. You've been very good at waiting. Are you ready? Are you all practiced up? Okay, here's your present for me and Joe. Open up. Do it. She taught you well how to open those boxes. Get it open, Sam. Give it a pull. Pull, Sam, pull. Pull. Come on. Okay. There it goes. Alright, I think we'll give him some help before he ruins what's inside. More coming. There's presents in the present. Look at that. Okay. What a pretty wrapping job. Oh, so exciting. Best part of the day here. Okay. Okay, whoa. We don't know what's in there. Oh, hold on. Okay, more coming. Happy puppy. Yeah. Oh, how exciting. What is that? A whole box of treats. Just for you! Oh, Sam, you're so lucky. Oh. Wow. Those look really delicious. What's more fun, box or treats? Box treats. Lucky boy! Okay, Sam. Can you sit? Sam, sit. Sit. Good boy. Sorry, I'll open this. Okay. Sit. Good boy. Oh, lucky dog. Okay, Sam. Can you say thank you with a big? Big? Oh, sorry, we're still eating the first one. Oh, it's delicious. Oh, so delicious. Okay, Sam. Sit. Good. How about this one? Paw? Good. Big? Wait, big? Good boy. Thanks, Aunt Joe. We had so much fun with the wrapping. See you soon. Okay, Sam. You're going to stay home while I... Hey, sit. Go do the laundry. But you get to watch your new birthday present. Okay? Okay? No, you've had enough treats, but you can have more later. Okay. Come on your bed. Come on. Lay down. Good boy. Sit. Good. Okay, stay. Look how good you are. Okay, you don't have to stay. I'm gonna watch your movie. Let's see. Play.
Iditarod enshrinement by a character of the game.
Oh. Okay, Sam. Have fun watching your movie. We'll see you later.